unbox this Hello Kitty kind of spray, and I have this little transformer. So, okay, let's start the unboxing. Now, all we need is some scissors.
Look, we have scissors. Now Nancy will open mine first. And now, you just wait. Let's look at this Hello Kitty spray. Look at this. Look at this. There's a cat.
Oh, the unboxing of mine is done. Oh, we have a transformer. Look at this transformer. It looks sick. What do we do?
Be careful with scissors. Ask an adult to help you, or you'll be puddle.
Like me. I use scissors at school. And those and I can like do stuff like this.
Never use scissors on when you're little.
That would be great advice. I would really like that advice.
Here it is. Now,
I think it's some sort of truck or car. It looks like some sort of truck. I'm figuring out how to do the windows. Looks like this one starts out like this. I think it's starting to look like some sort of like truck or something. I think there's some sort of truck. This looks like close. Don't you think this looks close? Don't you think it might be a giant beetle or something?
there's a collector's guide.
Oh, let's see this collector's guide. Wait, it just says Lost Kitty. Oh.
So do the instructions.
Okay, we have the different kind of kitties we can get. Okay, we could get. I really like the ones that have this one because it has like those ears, that 2 ears, what with the 2 ones.
I really like the pink.
Let's see if we can open this.
So follow to
Okay.
me.
Wait, I need to do step 1. Step 1 is to open the bottom. Step 1 is pretty hard. Why do they make this? Why is it so hard? Can somebody get someone? Now I just need to figure out how this transformer transforms.
I'll be right back, guys.
Oh, I think I see it. Yeah, I think I saw it.
So there's a surprise when you open the top.
Oh!
Look what? A baggie. Here's the baggie.
Give me some scissors. Does anyone have any scissors?
To cut this.
Oh, it's some sort of like fire truck. Look, it's some sort of truck. Look at it's some sort of truck, guys. For some reason I can't get these to stick on. So she has one at the front and one at the back. I think we have. Wait, is there any more? I want to see if there's any more. Why do they pack it with so much clay? Yes, you get the clay. Get this clay out. It's so close. Wait, I think I just see something. Nope, just even more clay. There's more clay. More. Oh, once again. So what should we do with this clay? Let's make a house for the kitties. Okay. Oh, so much! I had that so much. That's so much clay. More and more clay. I could really use some clay. These little cute guys. There's so much clay. I bet that's the whole set. The cuteness of these. Oh, yeah, that's definitely for them. So they just pack the rest with clay. I think that makes sense. And we have the biggest ball. We have the biggest ball. Give me the clay. From all that clay. Wow. this fire.
Oh, this is so nice to touch.
What do you think this is? I think it's sort of a fire truck. Wee, wee, wee.
So nice to touch.
Beep, beep, beep.
Let's make them
Jesse!
stick in the clay.
Yeah, okay, let's make a little house. Let's make something out of this clay. I wonder. Maybe if you had this, what would you do with the clay? Tell us in the comments down below. Bye bye. We will see you what we can make with this clay next time. Peace out, dudes.